In NVH engineering, we fight vibration using stiffness and damping, but nature solves the problem very differently.
Nature distributes vibration energy across multiple paths, reducing localized stress and resonance. Instead of suppressing noise later, nature prevents large noise generation at the source. Small surface geometry changes can dramatically influence turbulence and acoustic performance.
Nature adapts stiffness dynamically, improving comfort, stability, and isolation together.
Rigid resistance creates shock peaks. Nature spreads impact energy across multiple layers. Future NVH systems may become adaptive networks, working collectively instead of independently. The future of NVH may not lie in fighting vibration harder, but in learning how nature manages energy intelligently.